Wishing you all and your family a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So we know that before even starting any new thing or important thing, we connect to Lord Ganesha to remove all the obstacles. So don't you feel that you also require it to get improvement from your gut issues? To get complete freedom from your gut issues, you need to just remove all the obstacles. Yes, it's very important. That only changes your destiny for future better health. And that is what is provided in the Divine-Science Gut Miracle that I help my patients with. We not only give the accurate and the best solution, but also we take God's blessings to remove all the obstacles in our healing journey. Any obstacle that can stop us from getting the perfect health, the best health. And not only this, but we create the best future for ourselves, the best destiny for ourselves. That is what all my patients' experience have been. They have not only improved in their health, but in their overall every area of their life, be it their job or businesses where they have got huge promotions, and as well as their relationships and their personal self, the best.